If you're over 60 and noticing fatigue or nighttime bathroom trips, your kidney filters are likely clogged. Today, we aren't just drinking water. We are using a 4-food biological power wash to flush toxins and support repair. Let's get straight to food number 1. Kicking off our list of kidney-saving superfoods is a humble, yet powerful fruit you likely already have in your kitchen. Organic apples are our first heavy hitter, and for good reason. Incorporating just one medium green apple into your daily routine can be a game changer for your kidney health. But it's not just any apple that will do, and the reason why is found deep within its cellular structure. So, why this specific fruit? Our bodies are constantly exposed to environmental toxins, including heavy metals like lead and mercury. These insidious substances can enter our system through contaminated water, food, and even the air we breathe. Once inside, they travel through our bloodstream and place an immense strain on our kidneys, which are tasked with filtering them out. Over time, this toxic burden can lead to significant kidney damage. This is where the apple's secret weapon comes into play. Apples, particularly their skins, are incredibly rich in a special type of soluble fiber called pectin. Think of pectin as a natural Velcro fiber. As it moves through your digestive tract, it has a unique ability to bind tightly to heavy metal ions. It effectively sticks to lead and mercury, trapping them within the fiber matrix. This binding process, known as chelation, is crucial. It forms a stable compound that your body cannot absorb. Instead of the metals entering your bloodstream and making their way to your vital organs, the pectin safely escorts them all the way through your digestive system, pulling them out of your body through your stool. This simple, natural process prevents those harmful metals from ever reaching and damaging your delicate kidneys in the first place. Now, for a critical pro tip, it must be organic. The skin is where the highest concentration of pectin is found, so you need to eat it. However, the skins of conventionally grown apples are notorious for carrying a cocktail of pesticides and waxes. These chemicals, designed to kill pests, can introduce a different kind of toxin into your body, forcing your kidneys to work overtime to filter them out. This completely negates the detoxifying benefits of the pectin. Choosing organic eliminates this risk, ensuring you get all the benefits without the added chemical load. To get the most out of your apple, simply wash it well and eat it raw, skin and all. Slicing it up for a snack or adding it to a salad are excellent choices. If chewing is a challenge, you can grate the apple into oatmeal or yogurt, or even blend it into a smoothie. Another fantastic option is to make your own unsweetened applesauce at home. Just be sure to cook the apples with the skin on, and then blend everything together to retain that precious pectin. Your actionable takeaway is simple. Add one medium-sized organic green apple to your diet every single day. Consistency is key. Make it a non-negotiable part of your daily health regimen. This small, delicious habit is one of the easiest and most effective steps you can take to actively protect your kidneys from the daily onslaught of heavy metals and support your body's natural detoxification pathways. Next on our list is a vibrant and surprisingly powerful ally for your kidneys, the red bell pepper. For many seniors, especially those managing kidney health, finding the right vegetables can be a challenge. Common staples like potatoes, tomatoes, and even spinach are often flagged for their high potassium content. When kidneys aren't functioning at 100%, they struggle to filter excess potassium from the blood. Over time, this buildup, a condition known as hyperkalemia, can become dangerous, potentially affecting heart rhythm and muscle function. This creates a dietary dilemma. How do you get essential vegetable nutrients without overloading on potassium? This is where the red bell pepper shines. It's the Goldilocks vegetable for kidney health, not too high in potassium, but just right in a host of other protective compounds. A generous half-cup serving of chopped red pepper contains only about 150 milligrams of potassium, making it a safe and delicious choice. But its benefits go far beyond being low potassium. Red bell peppers are packed with vitamins A and C, two crucial antioxidants for a robust immune system. For seniors, a strong immune response is vital for fending off infections that can put additional stress on the kidneys. The real superstar nutrient here, however, is lycopene. This is the natural pigment that gives the pepper its brilliant red color. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant that specializes in neutralizing harmful free radicals. In the context of kidney health, this is critical. It helps shield the kidney's delicate filtering units, the nephrons, from the inflammatory damage and oxidative stress that can worsen kidney disease. So, how can you best incorporate them into your diet? A typical serving size for a senior is about half of a medium pepper. For maximum benefit, our pro tip is to eat them raw. This keeps their high vitamin C content fully intact, which is essential for repairing body tissues. Slice them into strips for a crunchy snack with a kidney-friendly dip like hummus, or dice them into salads. Roasting them also brings out a wonderful sweetness and makes them easier to digest, which is a great option as well. As a safety note, always wash peppers thoroughly before eating. If you have late-stage kidney disease, it's still wise to confirm serving sizes with your doctor or a renal dietitian. Your actionable takeaway? Try adding half a chopped raw red bell pepper to at least one meal each day. It's a simple, colorful, and effective step to support your kidney health. Food number 3 is the fiber broom, soaked kidney beans or black beans. This humble pantry staple is a powerhouse for senior health, acting as a gentle yet effective internal cleanser. Beans are renowned for their ability to support digestive regularity, stabilize blood sugar levels, and provide a clean, heart-friendly source of protein. They are a cornerstone of the 2026 method for their profound impact on gut health and overall vitality, offering a simple way to feel lighter and more energized. One of the key advantages of beans is their protein profile. Unlike red meat, which is acidic and can place a heavy burden on your digestive system, plant protein from beans is alkaline. This means your body can process it with far less effort, reducing inflammation and digestive stress. For seniors, this switch can make a world of difference, freeing up metabolic energy that would otherwise be spent breaking down heavy acidic foods. This gentler process supports better nutrient absorption and a calmer digestive tract. Now, let's talk about preparation, because this is where the magic happens. The 2026 method is very specific here. Before you even think about cooking them, you must soak your beans in plenty of water for at least 12 hours. This step is non-negotiable. Why? Soaking neutralizes compounds called phytates, or phytic acid. This anti-nutrient can interfere with your body's ability to absorb essential minerals like calcium, iron, and zinc, minerals that are crucial for bone density and energy as we age. By soaking the beans and then discarding that cloudy water, you eliminate up to 90% of this phytic acid. This simple action transforms beans from a potentially problematic food into a nutritional superstar, protecting your kidneys from unnecessary strain and unlocking their full mineral content. For serving size, aim for about a half cup of cooked beans 3 to 4 times per week. This amount provides a fantastic dose of fiber and protein without overwhelming your system. You can add them to soups, salads, or enjoy them as a simple side dish. Your actionable takeaway is this: always soak your beans for 12 hours and discard the water. This single step is the key to maximizing their benefits and ensuring they are gentle on your body. Make this a non-negotiable part of your routine to truly harness the power of the fiber broom. Finally, wild blueberries. These are your overnight repair kits. They contain anthocyanins, which are powerful pigments that can actually cross into kidney tissue to shut down oxidative stress. Pro tip: buy them frozen. Frozen wild berries often have higher antioxidant levels than fresh ones that have been sitting on a truck for a week. Take the Healthy Horizon 7-Day Challenge. Swap one snack a day for these kidney-friendly options, and watch the swelling in your ankles go down. If this helped you, comment "Ready" below and subscribe.